जो हम लोग यहाँ पे assemble हुआ है, it is all because of the yesterday episode is happening in Manipur. It was very insulting to all the migrants who are inside Manipur as well as outside. क्योंकि मणिपुर में है, आप लोग जर्नलिस्ट हैं, आपने कभी कहीं भी आपने ये देखा होगा या सुना है क्या कि कोई भी स्टेट में अपने स्टेट में हम सुरक्षित नहीं है, अपने स्टेट में हम मणिपुर का नाम जैसे कि मणिपुर स्टेट ट्रांसपोर्ट ये लेकर नहीं जा सकते. Is that happen in any part of the country? Never. We have never heard of all these things. और ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ. और जैसे कि जो Zero Relief Festival it happens after 2 years. तो समीर पाठक कल ये एपिसोड होने के बाद he put some words. तो मैं ये समीर पाठक से पूरा डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ. He said that it is a very unfortunate incident. Indeed, it is a very unfortunate incident. ये नहीं होना चाहिए था. मणिपुर के सोइल में मणिपुर के नाम लेके मणिपुर का जो गाड़ी है उसकी में मणिपुर लेके नहीं जा सकता. ये कहीं पे भी नहीं होना चाहिए. And it was indeed a very very unfortunate incident. And after that, he used the term avoidable misunderstanding. But sir, here we disagree with you. You cannot say that was an avoidable incident. वो avoidable incident था ही नहीं. It was a pre-planned one. Otherwise, जो महाराष्ट्र वहाँ पे है, and they have targeted only the vehicles जो जहाँ पे media person बैठे हुए थे. Why? Because they may be thinking that अगर media person को रोक दिया जाएगा तो it can become an issue. तो यहाँ पे they may be thinking that they will do a trial. कि ये trial करके यहाँ पे अगर they success then they can move forward with their plan. If they are unable to succeed in this and the Monkeys started reacting to this, then they had to control their plan. That is what I say. ये बहुत हर्टिंग वाला मतलब जो इंसल्ट जो हर्ट जो इंसल्ट हमने फील किया था as a Monkeys, not only me, the whole Monkeys community they had felt insulted yesterday. And one more thing, he said that normalcy जो आ रहा है, normalcy जो आने के लिए they were trying सिरोही में जाने के लिए, सिरोही फेस्टिवल अटेंड करने के लिए जो सोचा है उन लोगों ने, तो उन लोगों ने इसके लिए ये have done so many सुविधाएं सबको दिया. Tourism department had taken that transportation, they had done their job. If this is the security they are providing to the Monkeys, if Monkeys have to hide their identity and they have to attend to the festival, then I as a Monkey, I object that. I really don't want to attend those festivals where I have to hide my identity and I have to attend that festival is not important to me, but the insult they have given to us is very hurting and very disappointing to all the Monkeys. This is all. That today, yesterday the feeling was very mixed up. महाराष्ट्र में किसने ये किया होगा, किसने ये कहा होगा ऐसा सब करने के लिए. The feeling was very mixed and we were very tense. Then today morning, the imams, the women's wing of Manipur, they went and made the security advisor of Manipur. And from there, we come to know that it was a unanimous decision taken by the government with the presence of the governor. अगर ये गवर्नर और सबका मिला जुला भगत है, तो why they are playing with the emotions of the Monkeys? Manipur is not a playfield for all of you. Manipur is not a playfield. आप यहाँ पे खेलो मत, हमारी जिंदगी के साथ खेलो मत, हमारी इमोशंस के साथ खेलो मत. ये आपका नहीं, ये ट्रायल नहीं इरर करने का जगह नहीं है. Manipur is not for a trial and error. They had and the women from Manipur, they are trying to meet the governor of Manipur today at 5 o'clock. Then some update will come after that. But in conclusion, what we feel is a conspiracy. एक बार ऐसे हुआ था. This March 11, 2025 में इसी साल में March 11 में one Muslim guy he took a auto up to Kangpokpi where the Kuki are residing there. वहाँ पे गए थे, वहाँ पे जाके गाड़ी को थोड़ा सा तोड़-फोड़ करके उसको वापस कर दिया था। But no one reacted the way we reacted yesterday. Because कल जो गाड़ी रोका गया था, it was not done by the Cookies. It was done by the Maha regiment. तो क्यों किया गया? If it was done by the Cookies, then we could, at least we could think ना कि हमारा disagreement की वजह से ये सब हुआ है. But the Cookies were not present at all at the time. It was done totally by the Maha regiment. वो वहाँ से आके how dare they can come to the Manipur